Welcome, dino enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a thrilling paleontological journey, a deep dive into the fascinating world of prehistoric life, to explore a question that, on the surface, might seem almost laughably simple. Did dinosaurs really exist? While the answer seems self-evident, particularly given the countless museum exhibits showcasing their colossal skeletons and the captivating imagery that permeates our popular culture, a closer examination reveals a rich and complex story, a story woven from meticulous scientific investigation, painstaking research, and the uncovering of irrefutable evidence scattered across the globe. This isn't just about accepting a historical fact. It's about understanding the very process of scientific discovery, the rigorous methodology employed to unearth and interpret the remnants of a long-lost world. It's about appreciating the dedication and expertise of paleontologists, the intrepid explorers of deep time, who dedicate their lives to piecing together the puzzle of our planet's ancient past. So, what exactly is paleontology? It's the scientific study of prehistoric life, encompassing not just dinosaurs, but all forms of ancient life, from microscopic organisms to colossal behemoths. Paleontologists are essentially detectives of the past, meticulously piecing together clues from the fragmented remains of organisms that lived millions, even billions, of years ago. Their work is a delicate dance between meticulous fieldwork and sophisticated laboratory analysis, requiring a multidisciplinary approach drawing on geology, chemistry, biology, and even computer science. The process begins in the field, often in remote and challenging locations. Paleontologists spend countless hours searching for fossils, the preserved remains or traces of ancient organisms, embedded within layers of rock. These fossil sites, often discovered through careful geological mapping and aerial surveys, can range from exposed cliffs and canyons to hidden strata unearthed during construction or mining projects. The discovery of a potential fossil is just the beginning. The next stage involves careful excavation, a process that requires both precision and patience. Paleontologists use specialized tools such as small brushes, chisels, and even dental picks to meticulously remove the surrounding rock, revealing the precious fossil within. This is often painstaking work, requiring hours, sometimes days, to unearth a single bone or fragment. Every piece is carefully documented, its position recorded with meticulous accuracy, providing crucial contextual information for later analysis. Once removed from the earth, the fossils undergo a meticulous cleaning and preparation process. This can involve removing excess sediment, stabilizing fragile fragments with consolidants, and creating detailed casts or molds for study and display. Sophisticated imaging techniques, such as X-rays and CT scans, are used to visualize internal structures and assess the fossil's completeness and condition. The analysis of these fossils provides a wealth of information. The shape and size of bones reveal details about the animal's anatomy, its locomotion, and even its potential behavior. Teeth, for instance, can offer insights into diet, the presence of where patterns can indicate whether the animal was a herbivore, carnivore, or omnivore. Microscopic analysis of bone structure can reveal information about growth rates and metabolic processes. And the discovery of fossilized skin impressions, footprints, or even fossilized eggs offers a glimpse into the creature's appearance, behavior, and reproductive strategies. The sheer diversity of fossil evidence we've uncovered over the centuries, from the gigantic skeletons of sauropods to the fearsome teeth of theropods, from the delicate bones of ornithomimids to the armored plates of ankylosaurs, paints a vibrant and compelling picture of a world teeming with life unimaginably different from our own. This wealth of evidence, meticulously collected, analyzed, and cross-referenced, forms the bedrock of our understanding of dinosaurs and their place in the history of life on Earth. And this is just the beginning of our journey to answer the seemingly simple question: did dinosaurs really exist? The answer, as we'll see, is a resounding yes. Welcome back, dino enthusiasts. We've established that we're tackling the seemingly simple, yet profoundly significant question: did dinosaurs really exist? To answer this definitively, we need to delve into the fascinating world of paleontology, the science that unlocks the secrets of prehistoric life. Think of paleontologists as detectives of the deep past, meticulously piecing together the fragmented clues left behind by organisms that lived millions, even hundreds of millions of years ago. Their work is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity, a testament to our ability to unravel the mysteries of a world lost to time. So, what exactly is paleontology? At its core, it's the study of ancient life, encompassing everything from microscopic organisms to the colossal giants we know as dinosaurs. It's a multidisciplinary science, drawing on geology to understand the context in which fossils are found, chemistry to analyze the composition of fossils and the surrounding rock, biology to interpret the anatomy and behavior of ancient organisms, and even computer science for sophisticated modeling and analysis. It's a field where painstaking fieldwork meets cutting-edge laboratory techniques, a blend of meticulous observation and technological advancement. The journey begins in the field, often in remote and challenging locations. Picture this: vast deserts under the scorching sun, rugged mountainsides battered by wind and rain, or treacherous jungle environments teeming with life. These are the hunting grounds of paleontologists, places where the remnants of a lost world lie buried. Finding these fossil sites is often the first and most challenging hurdle. Paleontologists employ a variety of techniques, from meticulous geological mapping to aerial surveys using advanced imaging technologies, to identify areas with a high probability of containing fossils. These surveys often focus on sedimentary rocks, layers of rock formed from the accumulation of sediment over vast stretches of time. These sedimentary layers act as a historical record, preserving the remains of ancient life within their strata. Once a promising site is identified, the painstaking process of excavation begins. This is not a matter of simply digging and unearthing a complete skeleton. Instead, it's a delicate dance between precision and patience, requiring specialized tools and an unwavering attention to detail. Paleontologists use a range of tools, from small brushes and dental picks to chisels, and even specialized jackhammers, carefully removing the surrounding rock to reveal the precious fossils embedded within. The process can take hours, days, even weeks or months, depending on the size and complexity of the fossil and the surrounding geology. The excavation itself is only half the battle. Every fragment, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, is meticulously documented. Its precise location, orientation, and relationship to the surrounding rock are recorded with painstaking accuracy. This meticulous record-keeping is critical for understanding the context of the fossil, allowing paleontologists to reconstruct the ancient environment and the relationships between different organisms. Think of it like a three-dimensional puzzle, where each piece needs to be carefully placed to create a complete picture. Once the fossils are removed from the ground, the next stage involves careful cleaning and preparation. This can involve removing excess sediment, stabilizing fragile fragments with consolidants, special chemicals that strengthen and preserve the fossil, and creating detailed casts or molds for study and display. This process often requires specialized equipment and expertise, and it's a crucial step in ensuring the long-term preservation of these invaluable treasures. The prepared fossils are then subjected to a rigorous analysis, using a variety of techniques to extract as much information as possible. Sophisticated imaging techniques, such as X-rays and CT scans, are used to visualize internal structures that are otherwise invisible to the naked eye. This allows paleontologists to examine the internal anatomy of bones, identify subtle fractures or pathologies, and even visualize soft tissues that might have been preserved under exceptional circumstances. Microscopic analysis can reveal details about the bone's microstructure, providing information about the animal's growth rate, its diet, and its overall physiology. Chemical analysis can identify the composition of the fossil and the surrounding sediments, providing clues about the ancient environment and the processes that led to the fossil's preservation. The analysis of fossils is not a solitary endeavor. Paleontologists often collaborate with specialists from other fields, such as geologists, chemists, and biologists, to interpret the data and draw meaningful conclusions. This collaborative approach is essential for gaining a comprehensive understanding of the ancient world and the organisms that inhabited it. The information gleaned from these analyses is used to reconstruct the anatomy, behavior, and evolutionary relationships of ancient organisms, building a detailed picture of life in the distant past. From the microscopic structures of ancient teeth to the massive bones of colossal dinosaurs, every piece of evidence contributes to our understanding of this lost world. The next time you see a dinosaur skeleton in a museum, remember the incredible journey of discovery, the meticulous work, and the collaborative effort that went into bringing it to light. This is the power of paleontology, the science that allows us to connect with the deep past and understand our place in the grand tapestry of life on Earth. Now, let's get down to the bones, literally. The most compelling evidence for dinosaur existence comes, unsurprisingly, from the fossils themselves. And the sheer variety of dinosaur fossils discovered is breathtaking, offering a remarkably detailed picture of these magnificent creatures. We're not just talking about scattered bones. We're talking about a wealth of evidence that paints a vivid portrait of their lives, their environments, and even their behaviors. Let's start with the most iconic evidence: fossilized bones. These aren't just any bones. They're the hardened remnants of creatures that roamed the Earth millions of years ago. The size and shape of these bones reveal a staggering diversity of dinosaur forms. From the colossal femurs of massive sauropods like Brachiosaurus, which could reach lengths exceeding 10 feet, to the delicate, bird-like bones of smaller theropods like Compsognathus, the skeletal remains provide invaluable clues about their anatomy, locomotion, and evolutionary relationships. The curvature of the spine, the articulation of the limbs, the structure of the pelvis, all these details offer insights into how dinosaurs moved, how they interacted with their environment, and even how they might have behaved. For example, the robust leg bones of a Tyrannosaurus rex indicate a powerful, bipedal predator capable of incredible bursts of speed, while the elongated necks and relatively small heads of Brachiosaurus suggest a herbivore that browsed high in the trees. Beyond the bones themselves, the presence of fossilized teeth provides further crucial information. Teeth are remarkably durable structures, often surviving fossilization even when other skeletal elements are lost. The shape, size, and wear patterns on dinosaur teeth reveal much about their diet. The sharp, serrated teeth of carnivorous theropods like Allosaurus and Velociraptor are clear indicators of a meat-eating lifestyle, while the flat, grinding teeth of herbivores like Triceratops and Stegosaurus suggest a diet of tough plant material. Microscopic analysis of tooth enamel can even reveal details about the chemical composition of their diet, offering insights into the types of plants they consumed and the overall composition of their ancient ecosystems. But the evidence doesn't stop with bones and teeth. Incredibly, we've also discovered fossilized skin impressions, providing a glimpse into the texture and appearance of dinosaur skin. These impressions, often found preserved in fine-grained sedimentary rocks, reveal a surprising diversity of skin textures. Some dinosaurs possess smooth, scaly skin, while others had a more pebbly or bumpy texture. In some cases, we've even found evidence of bony plates or scuts, providing further insights into their defense mechanisms. These skin impressions, though rare, are invaluable for reconstructing the appearance of these ancient creatures and understanding their adaptations to their environments. And then there are the eggs. Fossilized dinosaur eggs, often found in clutches, provide compelling evidence not only of their existence, but also of their reproductive strategies. The size, shape, and shell structure of these eggs vary greatly depending on the species. Some eggs are small and spherical, while others are elongated and ovoid. The shell texture can also vary, from smooth and leathery to heavily textured and pitted. The discovery of fossilized eggshells containing embryonic remains offers a unique window into the development of dinosaur embryos, providing further insights into their reproductive biology. The remarkable preservation of some eggs has even allowed paleontologists to identify the species of dinosaur from which they originated. The sheer geographic distribution of these fossils across the globe further strengthens the case for dinosaur existence. Dinosaur fossils have been discovered on every continent, indicating that these creatures were widespread and diverse. From the arid deserts of North America to the frozen wastelands of Antarctica, from the lush rainforests of South America to the vast plains of Asia, the fossil record reveals a global distribution spanning a wide range of ancient habitats and ecosystems. This global distribution underscores the fact that dinosaurs were not a localized phenomenon. They were a dominant group of animals that thrived across the planet for millions of years. Consider, for instance, the iconic discovery of Sioux, the remarkably complete Tyrannosaurus rex skeleton unearthed in South Dakota. Or the Argentinosaurus, one of the largest land animals ever discovered, whose immense bones were found in Argentina. These are just two examples from a vast catalog of incredible fossil finds that provide tangible evidence of dinosaur existence. These discoveries, often painstakingly unearthed from remote and challenging locations, represent years of dedicated research and meticulous excavation. Each fossil, meticulously documented and analyzed, contributes to our ever-growing understanding of the dinosaur world. The significance of these fossils cannot be overstated. They are not just ancient bones. They are windows into a lost world, offering invaluable insights into the evolution of life on Earth. The diversity of fossil types, their global distribution, and the wealth of information they provide leave no doubt. Dinosaurs did indeed exist, and their story is far more complex and fascinating than we ever imagined. The ongoing discovery and analysis of these fossils continue to reshape our understanding of these magnificent creatures and their place in the history of life on Earth. The next time you see a dinosaur skeleton in a museum, remember the incredible journey of discovery, the meticulous work, and the collaborative effort that went into bringing it to light. This is the power of paleontology, the science that allows us to connect with the deep past and understand our place in the grand tapestry of life on Earth. Now, let's turn our attention to a truly remarkable process, fossilization. How do these ancient creatures, these colossal behemoths and delicate flyers, become preserved as fossils, enduring the relentless march of time over millions, even hundreds of millions of years? It's a complex process, a fascinating interplay of chance and geological forces that requires a specific set of circumstances to occur. It's not simply a matter of an animal dying and magically turning into stone. Instead, fossilization is a delicate dance between decay, preservation, and the powerful forces of geology. The journey to becoming a fossil begins with death. When a dinosaur, or any organism for that matter, dies, its body begins the process of decomposition. Scavengers, bacteria, and fungi quickly move in, breaking down the soft tissues, leaving behind only the harder, more resistant parts, like bones, teeth, and shells. The speed and extent of this decomposition depend on several factors, including the environment, the climate, and the presence of scavengers. In some cases, decomposition may be rapid and complete, leaving little or no trace of the organism behind. But in other cases, the conditions are just right for the preservation process to begin. One crucial factor is rapid burial. If the remains are quickly covered by sediment, whether it's sand, mud, or volcanic ash, they're shielded from the elements and scavengers, slowing down or even halting decomposition. This rapid burial is crucial because it protects the remains from being destroyed by weathering, erosion, or scavenging. The type of sediment plays a role as well. Fine-grained sediments, like silt and clay, offer better protection than coarser sediments like sand or gravel. The finer the sediment, the better it seals off the remains from oxygen and other environmental factors that promote decay. Once buried, the process of fossilization itself can take many different forms. One common pathway is permineralization, where groundwater rich in dissolved minerals seeps into the porous bones and other hard tissues. Over time, these minerals precipitate out of the water, filling the pores and spaces within the organic material, strengthening and solidifying the remains. This process effectively replaces the original organic material with mineral matter, resulting in a rock-like fossil that retains the original shape and structure of the bone. Another process is replacement, where the original organic material is completely dissolved and replaced by a different mineral. This can happen over long periods, as groundwater slowly dissolves the original material and simultaneously deposits new minerals in its place. This process can result in fossils that are composed entirely of a different mineral than the original material, such as silica, pyrite, or calcite. The resulting fossil may retain the original form, but its chemical composition will be entirely different. In some cases, fossils are formed through carbonization. This process occurs when the organic material is subjected to intense pressure and heat, driving off volatile compounds and leaving behind a thin film of carbon. This process is particularly effective for preserving delicate structures like leaves and feathers, resulting in a dark, carbon-rich film that represents the original shape and structure of the organism. Finally, there's the formation of molds and casts. If the original organic material is completely dissolved, it can leave behind a cavity or mold in the surrounding rock. If this mold is later filled with sediment or minerals, it can create a cast, a three-dimensional replica of the original organism. Molds and casts are particularly important for preserving delicate structures that might not otherwise survive the fossilization process. The entire process of fossilization takes an incredibly long time, often spanning millions of years. It's a testament to the power of geological processes and the remarkable resilience of certain organic materials. The conditions necessary for fossilization are rare and specific, making fossils exceptionally valuable and providing us with a remarkably detailed glimpse into the ancient world. The fossils we uncover aren't simply remnants of the past, they're snapshots of life frozen in time, offering invaluable insights into the evolution of life on Earth. They're also a testament to the extraordinary power of nature to preserve its secrets, waiting to be unearthed by the dedicated scientists who dedicate their lives to understanding our planet's incredible history. And understanding this process, this intricate dance of geological forces, is essential to fully appreciating the value and significance of the fossils we unearth and the stories they tell. So, we've seen the incredible fossil evidence, bones, teeth, skin impressions, eggs, all pointing towards the undeniable existence of dinosaurs. But knowing that they existed is only half the story. To truly understand their place in Earth's history, we need to know when they existed. That's where dating techniques come in, the sophisticated methods scientists use to determine the age of these ancient relics. This isn't simply a matter of guesswork. It's a rigorous scientific process involving several complementary approaches, each offering a different piece of the puzzle. And understanding these methods is key to appreciating the precision and reliability of the dinosaur timeline we've constructed. The most renowned and widely used method is radiometric dating, a technique that harnesses the predictable decay of radioactive isotopes. Isotopes are atoms of the same element with different numbers of neutrons, and some isotopes are unstable, meaning they spontaneously decay over time into other elements at a known rate. This decay rate, expressed as a half-life, the time it takes for half of the unstable isotopes in a sample to decay, is constant and predictable. By measuring the ratio of the parent isotope, the unstable one, to the daughter isotope, the stable product of decay, in a rock sample containing the fossil, scientists can calculate the time elapsed since the rock formed. One of the most commonly used isotopes in radiometric dating is carbon-14, but this method has its limitations. Carbon-14 dating is effective only for relatively recent organic materials, typically up to around 50,000 years old. Since dinosaurs lived millions of years ago, carbon-14 dating is not applicable to dinosaur fossils directly. Instead, scientists rely on other isotopes with much longer half-lives, such as uranium-238, potassium-40, and rubidium-87, to date the surrounding rocks containing the fossils. These isotopes are found in various minerals within the rock layers, and their decay provides a timeline for the rock's formation, thereby indirectly dating the fossils within. The choice of isotope depends on the age of the rock being dated. For older rocks, isotopes with longer half-lives are necessary to get a meaningful measurement. For example, potassium-40 has a half-life of 1.25 billion years, making it suitable for dating very ancient rocks, while uranium-238, with a half-life of 4.5 billion years, is used for even older geological formations. The accuracy of radiometric dating depends on several factors, including the precision of the measurements, the initial concentration of the isotopes, and the absence of contamination. However, when carefully conducted, Radiometric dating provides remarkably precise age estimates for rocks and the fossils they contain. While radiometric dating is the cornerstone of geological dating, it's not the only method used. Other techniques, often used in conjunction with radiometric dating, help refine the timeline and provide additional context. Biostratigraphy, for instance, utilizes the fossil record itself to establish relative ages. By comparing the fossils found in a particular rock layer with those found in other layers, paleontologists can establish a relative sequence of events. The presence of index fossils, fossils of organisms that existed for a relatively short period and were geographically widespread, is particularly useful in establishing relative ages across different locations. Magnetostratigraphy is another valuable tool. Earth's magnetic field has reversed polarity numerous times throughout history, and these reversals are recorded in the magnetic minerals within sedimentary rocks. By analyzing the magnetic orientation of these minerals, scientists can correlate rock layers from different locations and establish a chronological framework based on these magnetic reversals. This method provides a powerful tool for correlating rock layers across vast distances and refining the relative ages established through biostratigraphy. Furthermore, chemostratigraphy utilizes the chemical composition of rocks to establish a timeline. Changes in the chemical composition of sedimentary rocks over time can be used to correlate layers and establish a relative chronological sequence. These chemical signatures, like variations in isotopic ratios or the presence of specific elements, can provide additional constraints on the age of the rocks and the fossils they contain. Finally, the study of sedimentary layers themselves, their thickness, and their relationship to other layers provides valuable chronological information. The principle of superposition, a fundamental concept in geology, states that in an undisturbed sequence of sedimentary rocks, the oldest layers are at the bottom and the youngest are at the top. This principle, along with careful analysis of sedimentary structures and the identification of unconformities, gaps in the sedimentary record, allows scientists to establish a relative sequence of events and constrain the age of the fossils found within. All these methods, when used in combination, provide a robust and comprehensive approach to dating dinosaur fossils. The resulting timeline is not merely a collection of isolated ages. It's a carefully constructed framework that reflects our current understanding of Earth's history, the evolution of life, and the remarkable creatures that once roamed our planet. The precision of these dating techniques is continually refined as new technologies are developed and our understanding of geological processes improves, providing an ever more accurate picture of the dinosaur era and its place in the grand sweep of geological time. This careful, multifaceted approach is crucial for understanding not just the age of individual fossils, but the broader context of dinosaur evolution, their interactions with their environment, and the events that ultimately led to their extinction, a story that continues to unfold as paleontologists uncover new clues and refine our understanding of deep time. But the evidence for dinosaurs doesn't end with bones and teeth. We have another incredibly compelling line of evidence: dinosaur footprints and trackways. These aren't just random impressions in the ground. They're incredibly detailed records of dinosaur behavior, locomotion, and interaction with their environment, offering a dynamic perspective that complements the static information gleaned from skeletal remains. Think of them as snapshots of dinosaur life in action, frozen in time within ancient landscapes. Imagine a world teeming with colossal creatures, their massive feet leaving indelible marks on the soft mud and sand of prehistoric shores, riverbanks, and floodplains. These impressions, preserved over millions of years through the remarkable process of fossilization, offer a unique window into the lives of these magnificent animals. They provide insights that skeletal remains alone simply cannot offer, revealing details about gait, speed, social behavior, and even the very nature of their ancient habitats. The study of dinosaur footprints, formerly known as ichnology, is a specialized branch of paleontology that focuses on the interpretation of trace fossils, evidence of an organism's activity, rather than its body parts. Trackways, sequences of footprints left by a single animal, are particularly informative, providing a detailed record of its movement. By analyzing the spacing, depth, and shape of individual footprints within a trackway, paleontologists can infer a wealth of information about the dinosaur's gait, speed, and even its weight. For example, the stride length, the distance between successive footprints of the same foot, can be used to estimate the dinosaur's speed. A longer stride length generally indicates a faster pace, while a shorter stride length suggests a slower, more deliberate gait. The depth of the footprints can provide clues about the dinosaur's weight. Deeper impressions generally indicate a heavier animal. The shape of the footprints themselves can reveal information about the structure of the foot, the number of toes, and the presence of claws or pads. These details can help scientists identify the type of dinosaur that made the trackway, even if no skeletal remains are found nearby. The orientation of the footprints within a trackway can also reveal valuable information about the dinosaur's posture and locomotion. For instance, trackways showing parallel footprints, with the feet placed directly beneath the body, suggest a quadrupedal gait, characteristic of many herbivorous dinosaurs like sauropods and stegosaurs. In contrast, trackways showing footprints placed further apart, with a more pronounced stride, indicate a bipedal gait, typical of many carnivorous theropods and some ornithopods. Moreover, the presence of multiple trackways in close proximity can provide insights into dinosaur social behavior. Trackways running parallel to each other, with similar stride lengths and gait patterns, may suggest the movement of a herd or a group of dinosaurs traveling together. This is particularly valuable for understanding herd dynamics, social structures, and potential migration patterns. The direction of the trackways can also reveal information about the dinosaur's destination, providing clues about their foraging strategies, nesting sites, or other important aspects of their behavior. The environmental context of the trackways is equally crucial. The type of sediment in which the footprints are preserved can reveal information about the ancient environment. Footprints found in fine-grained sediments like mudstone or shale indicate that the trackway was made in a relatively calm, low-energy environment such as a lakebed, a riverbank, or a floodplain. Footprints found in coarser sediments like sandstone suggest a more dynamic environment, perhaps a beach or a river channel. The presence of other trace fossils, such as burrows or ripple marks, can further refine our understanding of the ancient environment and the dinosaurs' interaction with it. The discovery of dinosaur footprints has dramatically expanded our understanding of these creatures beyond the limited perspective provided by skeletal remains alone. They offer a unique window into their behavior, their locomotion, and their interaction with their environment, painting a far more dynamic and detailed picture of their lives. These tracks are not simply passive records of the past. They are active narratives, showcasing the movement, the interactions, and the very essence of dinosaur life millions of years ago. The meticulous study of these trace fossils continues to refine our understanding of these magnificent animals, providing a compelling and ever-evolving story of their existence on Earth. Every new trackway discovered adds another layer to the narrative, enriching our appreciation of the diversity and complexity of the dinosaur world. The study of dinosaur footprints is a testament to the power of paleontology to unveil the secrets of the past and to bring us closer to understanding the remarkable creatures that once roamed our planet. These traces of the past are not just fossils. They are living testimonies to a world lost to time, waiting to be explored and deciphered. Now, let's delve into a topic that might initially seem a little unconventional: coprolites. Yes, you heard that right. Fossilized feces. While the idea might evoke a chuckle, the scientific significance of dinosaur dung is undeniable. These ancient droppings, preserved over millions of years, offer a surprisingly detailed glimpse into the diets and digestive systems of dinosaurs, providing yet another compelling line of evidence supporting their existence. And the information gleaned from these fossilized remains is far more profound than you might imagine. Coprolites, often overlooked in popular depictions of paleontology, provide a unique window into the paleoecology of the Mesozoic era. Unlike bones, which primarily reveal anatomical information, coprolites offer direct evidence of dietary habits. The size, shape, and composition of a coprolite can offer clues about the size of the dinosaur that produced it, the types of food consumed, and even the efficiency of its digestive system. The preservation of coprolites is a remarkable feat of nature, requiring a specific set of conditions: rapid burial, protection from scavengers, and the right chemical environment to prevent decomposition and allow for the fossilization process. The analysis of coprolites involves a multidisciplinary approach, drawing on techniques from various scientific fields. Microscopic examination reveals the presence of undigested plant matter, bone fragments, scales, or other organic materials, providing direct evidence of the dinosaur's diet. For herbivorous dinosaurs, coprolites often contain fragments of leaves, stems, seeds, and other plant parts, allowing paleontologists to reconstruct the ancient flora and understand the types of plants these dinosaurs consumed. The presence of specific types of plant matter can even indicate the dinosaurs' preferred habitat and foraging strategies. For instance, the presence of conifer needles might suggest that a dinosaur frequented forested areas, while the presence of cycad fragments might point to a more open, savanna-like environment. In the case of carnivorous dinosaurs, coprolites often contain fragments of bone, teeth, and scales from their prey. The size and composition of these bone fragments can help identify the types of animals the dinosaur hunted. The presence of partially digested bones might indicate the dinosaur's powerful digestive system capable of breaking down even the toughest parts of its prey. The abundance of bone fragments in a coprolite can also reflect the dinosaur's hunting strategy and its place within the ancient food web. The analysis of coprolites provides a direct link between the predator and its prey, offering invaluable insights into the dynamics of ancient ecosystems. Beyond the identification of food remnants, the chemical composition of coprolites provides additional information. Isotopic analysis can reveal details about the dinosaur's diet, revealing the types of plants or animals consumed and the overall composition of its ancient environment. The presence of specific elements or isotopes can provide clues about the dinosaur's metabolism and its adaptation to its environment. For instance, the isotopic composition of coprolites can indicate whether a dinosaur was a browser or a grazer, based on the types of plants it consumed. The presence of certain isotopes can also reflect the dinosaur's geographic location and the types of water sources it utilized. The analysis of coprolites is not without its challenges. The preservation of these fossils is often incomplete, and the interpretation of the results requires careful consideration of various factors. The decomposition process can alter the composition of the coprolite, making it difficult to determine the original dietary components. The presence of external contaminants can also complicate the analysis, requiring careful cleaning and preparation techniques to ensure the accuracy of the results. Despite these challenges, the information gleaned from coprolites remains invaluable, offering a unique and often overlooked perspective on the diets and digestive systems of dinosaurs. The discovery of coprolites across various geological formations and geographical locations further strengthens their significance as evidence of dinosaur existence. The presence of these fossilized droppings in different continents and various rock formations confirms the widespread distribution of dinosaurs across the globe, providing further support for their global dominance during the Mesozoic era. Each coprolite discovery adds another piece to the puzzle, enhancing our understanding of these magnificent creatures and their place in the history of life on Earth. The study of coprolites is a testament to the power of paleontology to unveil unexpected insights into the past. These ancient droppings, though seemingly insignificant at first glance, provide a wealth of information about the diets, digestive systems, and overall ecology of dinosaurs. They offer a unique perspective that complements the information gleaned from skeletal remains and other fossil evidence, strengthening the case for dinosaur existence and providing a more comprehensive understanding of their lives and their interactions with their environment. The next time you visit a natural history museum, remember that the seemingly mundane, even the fossilized feces, can hold extraordinary scientific value, offering a unique window into a world lost to time. The meticulous study of coprolites continues to refine our understanding of dinosaurs, providing a compelling and ever-evolving story of their existence on Earth. Each new coprolite discovery adds another layer to the narrative, enriching our appreciation of the diversity and complexity of the dinosaur world. So far, we've explored the remarkable fossil evidence found in localized areas, showcasing the incredible detail and diversity of dinosaur remains. But the story of dinosaurs is far from confined to a single region. It's a global narrative, a testament to their widespread presence across the ancient Earth. The discovery of dinosaur fossils on every continent underscores the fact that these magnificent creatures were not a localized phenomenon, but a dominant group that thrived in a vast array of environments, shaping ecosystems across the globe. This global distribution is a powerful piece of evidence, reinforcing the reality of their existence and highlighting the expansive scope of their reign. Let's embark on a brief global tour, highlighting some key regions and their remarkable dinosaur discoveries. Beginning in North America, we find a treasure trove of fossils, particularly in the western United States and Canada. Iconic finds like Sioux, the remarkably complete Tyrannosaurus rex skeleton unearthed in South Dakota, stand as testaments to the richness of the North American fossil record. The Morrison Formation, stretching across several states, is famed for its abundance of Jurassic dinosaurs, including colossal sauropods like Apatosaurus and Diplodocus, along with formidable theropods like Allosaurus. These sites offer a snapshot of a Jurassic landscape teeming with diverse dinosaur life. Moving south to South America, we encounter a different, yet equally fascinating, array of dinosaur fossils. Argentina, in particular, has yielded some of the largest dinosaurs ever discovered, including the gargantuan Argentinosaurus, a titan whose immense size challenges our understanding of the limits of terrestrial life. The Patagonian region has proven to be a rich source of Cretaceous fossils, showcasing a unique fauna distinct from that of North America. These South American discoveries highlight the evolutionary diversification of dinosaurs across different continents and the unique environmental pressures that shaped their adaptations. Africa, too, boasts a rich dinosaur heritage. The continent's fossil record reveals a diverse array of species, reflecting the varied landscapes and ecosystems that existed during the Mesozoic era. Discoveries in countries like Tanzania and Morocco have unveiled iconic theropods like Spinosaurus, a remarkable creature adapted to both terrestrial and aquatic environments. The diversity of African dinosaurs further emphasizes the global distribution and evolutionary success of these creatures. Europe, often overlooked in popular dinosaur narratives, holds a significant place in the fossil record. Fossil sites across the continent, from England and France to Germany and Romania, have yielded a wealth of dinosaur remains, revealing a diverse range of species adapted to different habitats. The discovery of smaller, more agile dinosaurs in Europe contrasts with the colossal giants found in other parts of the world, highlighting the evolutionary adaptations that allowed dinosaurs to thrive in diverse environments. Asia, a continent spanning vast geographical regions and diverse climates, has also yielded a treasure trove of dinosaur fossils. Countries like China and Mongolia have become synonymous with remarkable discoveries, including feathered dinosaurs that provide crucial evidence for the evolutionary link between dinosaurs and birds. The Gobi Desert, in particular, has proven to be a rich source of dinosaur fossils, offering a glimpse into the unique ecosystems of the Cretaceous period. The Asian fossil record provides crucial insights into dinosaur evolution and their diversification across different continents. Finally, Antarctica, a continent shrouded in ice and seemingly devoid of life, also holds a surprising record of dinosaur fossils. The discovery of dinosaur remains in this frigid landscape underscores the global reach of these creatures and the remarkable resilience that allowed them to thrive even in extreme environments. While the Antarctic fossil record is relatively sparse compared to other continents, the discoveries made there reinforce the global distribution of dinosaurs and the remarkable adaptability that enabled them to colonize even the most challenging environments. The global distribution of dinosaur fossils is not merely a matter of chance. It reflects the widespread success and adaptability of these creatures. Their presence on every continent, from the arid deserts to the lush rainforests, from the frozen wastelands to the tropical islands, demonstrates their ability to thrive in a wide variety of habitats. This geographical diversity is a powerful testament to their evolutionary success and further strengthens the overwhelming scientific evidence supporting their existence. The similarities and differences in dinosaur species found across different continents reveal the complex interplay between evolution, geography, and environmental factors that shaped the diversity of dinosaur life. The ongoing discovery of dinosaur fossils across the globe continues to refine our understanding of these remarkable creatures. Each new discovery adds another piece to the puzzle, enriching our knowledge of dinosaur evolution, their geographic distribution, and their interaction with their environment. The global reach of the dinosaur fossil record underscores the importance of international collaboration in paleontological research, emphasizing the shared global heritage of these magnificent creatures. The study of dinosaur fossils worldwide is not just a scientific pursuit, it's a global endeavor, a testament to the power of scientific collaboration and our collective curiosity about the planet's rich and ancient past. The global distribution of these fossils is, in itself, a powerful argument against any conspiracy theories that question their existence. It's simply too widespread, too consistent across diverse geological formations and continents, to be explained away by anything other than the undeniable truth. Dinosaurs roamed the Earth, leaving their indelible mark on the planet's history. Now, let's address the elephant, or perhaps the brontosaurus, in the room. Despite the overwhelming scientific evidence supporting the existence of dinosaurs, persistent misconceptions and even conspiracy theories continue to circulate. Let's tackle some of these myths head-on, examining the flawed logic and lack of evidence behind them. Understanding these alternative explanations is crucial not just to debunk them, but also to highlight the strength and robustness of the scientific consensus on dinosaur existence. One common misconception revolves around the age of the Earth. Some argue that the Earth is far younger than the scientifically established age of 4.5 billion years, suggesting that the time frame for dinosaur evolution is insufficient. This argument often stems from a selective interpretation of biblical accounts or other non-scientific sources. However, the age of the Earth is independently supported by a vast body of evidence from multiple scientific disciplines, including radiometric dating, geological stratigraphy, and astrophysics. The age of the Earth is not a matter of debate within the scientific community. It's a well-established fact supported by decades of rigorous research. The vast timescale provided by this established age is entirely compatible with the evolutionary history of dinosaurs, as evidenced by the fossil record and other lines of evidence. Another recurrent theme is the supposed lack of transitional fossils. Some argue that the absence of a complete, unbroken chain of fossils representing every stage of dinosaur evolution undermines their existence. This argument misunderstands the nature of the fossil record itself. Fossilization is a rare and highly specific process, and the preservation of an organism requires a unique confluence of factors. It's highly improbable that every single stage of evolution would be perfectly preserved and discovered. The fossil record is inherently incomplete, and the absence of transitional fossils in certain lineages does not negate the extensive evidence supporting the evolutionary relationships between various dinosaur species and their descendants. Moreover, numerous transitional fossils have been discovered, showcasing the evolutionary links between different dinosaur groups and highlighting the gradual changes that occurred over millions of years. The argument that dinosaur fossils are elaborate hoaxes planted by scientists to perpetuate a grand deception is another unfounded claim. The sheer number of dinosaur fossils discovered worldwide, the consistent nature of these discoveries across diverse geological formations and continents, and the rigorous scientific scrutiny applied to each find make this theory highly improbable. Paleontological discoveries are subject to peer review, replication, and independent verification, ensuring that any potential fraud would be quickly exposed. The international collaboration involved in paleontological research further reduces the likelihood of a coordinated global conspiracy. The claims of hoaxing often lack any credible evidence and fail to account for the intricate details of fossil discoveries and the scientific methods used to analyze them. Some alternative explanations propose that dinosaur fossils are the remains of other unknown creatures, not dinosaurs as we understand them. This argument often lacks any concrete alternative explanation for the unique morphology and characteristics of dinosaur fossils. The distinctive skeletal structures, tooth types, and other anatomical features of dinosaurs clearly distinguish them from any other known group of animals. The consistent patterns observed in dinosaur fossils across the globe further support their distinct evolutionary lineage. Proposing an alternative explanation without providing compelling evidence to support it is not a valid scientific approach. The argument that dinosaur fossils are merely petrified wood or other geological formations is equally flawed. Paleontologists have developed sophisticated techniques for identifying and distinguishing between fossils and geological formations. Microscopic analysis, chemical analysis, and other advanced methods can readily differentiate between fossilized bone and other geological materials. The specific structures, cellular organization, and chemical composition of dinosaur bones are distinctly different from those of petrified wood or other non-organic formations. The claims that dinosaur bones are merely geological formations lack any scientific basis and fail to account for the anatomical details and specific characteristics of dinosaur fossils. The idea that dinosaurs were mythical creatures, products of ancient legends and folklore, is a common misconception. While myths and legends often reflect cultural interpretations of the world, they do not provide a scientific explanation for the existence of fossils. The scientific evidence for dinosaurs is based on empirical data, rigorous methodology, and independent verification, not on mythology or folklore. The discovery of dinosaur fossils in diverse geological formations across the globe cannot be explained away as mere coincidence or the product of human imagination. Finally, the notion that dinosaur extinction was caused by something other than the well-established Chicxulub impactor is another misconception. While other environmental factors likely played a role in the extinction event, the overwhelming scientific consensus points to the asteroid impact as the primary cause. The geological evidence of the impact, including the iridium layer found worldwide, the widespread devastation evidenced in the fossil record, and the simulation models that accurately depict the devastating consequences of the impact, provide strong support for this theory. Alternative explanations often lack the same level of empirical support and fail to account for the comprehensive body of evidence supporting the impact theory. In conclusion, while misconceptions and conspiracy theories surrounding dinosaur existence persist, they are easily refuted by the overwhelming scientific evidence. The rigorous methodology of paleontology, the consistent nature of fossil discoveries across the globe, and the corroborating evidence from multiple scientific disciplines leave no doubt. Dinosaurs did indeed exist. The strength of the scientific consensus lies not just in the individual pieces of evidence, but in the convergence of multiple independent lines of inquiry, all pointing to the same undeniable conclusion. The next time you encounter one of these myths, remember the depth and breadth of evidence supporting the existence of these magnificent creatures. The story of dinosaurs is a testament to the power of scientific investigation and the enduring fascination with our planet's ancient past. And now, let's delve into one of the most exciting and transformative discoveries in paleontology, the undeniable link between dinosaurs and modern birds. This connection isn't just a matter of speculation, it's a robust scientific conclusion, supported by a wealth of evidence that fundamentally reshapes our understanding of both avian and reptilian evolution. This evolutionary link not only provides further compelling proof of dinosaur existence, but also illuminates the remarkable continuity of life across vast stretches of geological time. For decades, the idea of dinosaurs evolving into birds was considered a fringe theory. Dinosaurs, with their images of lumbering giants and fearsome predators, seemed worlds apart from the delicate and agile creatures we know as birds. However, groundbreaking discoveries over the past few decades have completely revolutionized our understanding of this evolutionary connection. The discovery of feathered dinosaurs, particularly in China's Liaoning province, has been instrumental in bridging this gap. These fossils, preserved in exceptionally fine-grained sedimentary rocks, reveal exquisite details of feathers, ranging from simple filaments to complex, veined feathers remarkably similar to those found in modern birds. The significance of feathered dinosaurs cannot be overstated. Feathers, once considered a defining characteristic of birds, are now recognized as having evolved within the dinosaur lineage long before the appearance of the first true birds. This means that feathers did not originate in birds, but rather in their dinosaur ancestors. The discovery of feathered dinosaurs like Sinosauropteryx, Caudipteryx, and Microraptor, with their diverse array of feather structures, provides compelling evidence for a gradual evolutionary transition from simple filaments to the complex flight feathers found in modern birds. These fossils clearly demonstrate that feathers were not solely for flight. They likely played a role in insulation, display, and possibly even brooding. The evolutionary transition from terrestrial dinosaurs to avian flight is a complex and multifaceted process, with numerous intermediate stages represented in the fossil record. Many theropod dinosaurs, a group of bipedal carnivores that includes well-known genera like Velociraptor and Tyrannosaurus rex, exhibit skeletal features that are strikingly similar to those found in birds. These shared anatomical characteristics, known as homologies, provide strong evidence for a close evolutionary relationship. One of the most striking similarities lies in the structure of the forelimbs. The three-fingered hand of many theropod dinosaurs shows a remarkable resemblance to the wing structure of birds. The bones of the wrist, forearm, and hand exhibit similar proportions and articulations, suggesting that the avian wing evolved from the forelimb of a theropod dinosaur. This evolutionary transformation involved a gradual reduction in the number of fingers, elongation of the remaining digits, and the development of feathers that provided lift and control during flight. Further evidence for the dinosaur-bird connection comes from the structure of the pelvis and hind limbs. Many theropod dinosaurs show a distinctive bird-like pelvis, characterized by a backward-pointing pubis bone. This particular pelvic structure is associated with bipedal locomotion and is also found in modern birds. The structure of the hind limbs, including the femur, tibia, and foot bones, also exhibits similarities between theropod dinosaurs and birds, suggesting a common ancestry. Beyond skeletal morphology, other lines of evidence further support the dinosaur-bird connection. For instance, studies of dinosaur eggshells have revealed similarities in their microstructure and composition to the eggshells of modern birds. This suggests that the reproductive strategies of dinosaurs and birds share a common origin. Furthermore, biochemical studies comparing the proteins found in dinosaur fossils with those of birds have shown surprising similarities, suggesting a close evolutionary relationship. These biochemical similarities provide additional support for the phylogenetic connection between dinosaurs and birds. The evolutionary link between dinosaurs and birds is not just a matter of anatomical similarities, it also reflects a convergence of physiological and behavioral traits. Studies of dinosaur respiratory systems, based on the structure of their ribs and vertebrae, suggest that they may have possessed a system similar to the avian respiratory system, characterized by air sacs that extend into the bones. This highly efficient respiratory system is essential for the high metabolic rates and sustained flight capabilities of modern birds. Similarly, studies of dinosaur locomotion and posture suggest that many theropod dinosaurs were agile and active, possessing characteristics that would have facilitated the evolution of flight. The phylogenetic analysis of dinosaur and bird characteristics using sophisticated computational methods strongly supports the hypothesis that birds are descended from theropod dinosaurs. These analyses, which take into account a vast amount of anatomical, physiological, and genetic data, consistently place birds within the dinosaur family tree, specifically within the group known as Maniraptora. This group of theropod dinosaurs includes species that exhibit many bird-like characteristics such as feathers, wishbones, and three-fingered hands. The discovery of Archaeopteryx, a transitional fossil that exhibits both reptilian and avian characteristics, further solidifies this link. Archaeopteryx, dating back to the Jurassic period, possesses features of both theropod dinosaurs and early birds, bridging the gap between these two groups. While Archaeopteryx is not directly ancestral to modern birds, it provides a compelling example of an intermediate form, illustrating the evolutionary transition from dinosaurs to birds. The evolutionary connection between dinosaurs and birds is not just a matter of academic interest, it has profound implications for our understanding of the history of life on Earth. It highlights the remarkable capacity of life to adapt and diversify, creating an astonishing array of forms from a common ancestor. It also emphasizes the continuity of life across vast stretches of geological time, illustrating how ancient lineages can persist and evolve into new and unexpected forms. The discovery of this connection is a testament to the power of paleontology to reveal the deep history of life and to illuminate the complex relationships between past and present organisms. Therefore, the evolutionary link between dinosaurs and birds provides powerful, independent confirmation of dinosaur existence. The vast amount of evidence, from feathered dinosaurs to shared skeletal features, from biochemical similarities to sophisticated phylogenetic analyses, paints a compelling picture of a deep and undeniable evolutionary connection. This connection doesn't just validate the existence of dinosaurs, it enriches our understanding of their diversity, their adaptations, and their profound influence on the evolution of life on Earth. It's a story that continues to unfold as paleontologists uncover new fossils and refine our understanding of this remarkable evolutionary journey. The discovery of dinosaurs has profoundly reshaped our understanding of life on Earth, impacting our knowledge of evolution and the planet's history in ways that continue to resonate today. Before the widespread recognition of dinosaurs, the narrative of life's history was far less nuanced, less dynamic, and significantly less dramatic. The discovery of these magnificent creatures, however, ignited a revolution in our understanding of the past, challenging established paradigms and prompting a deeper exploration of evolutionary processes, geological timescales, and the very nature of life itself. One of the most significant impacts of dinosaur discoveries has been their contribution to the theory of evolution. Before the extensive fossil evidence of dinosaurs became available, the concept of evolution was still largely theoretical, based on limited observations and comparative anatomy. The discovery of dinosaur fossils, however, provided concrete evidence of evolutionary change over vast stretches of geological time. The sheer diversity of dinosaur forms, ranging from colossal herbivores to agile carnivores, demonstrated the remarkable capacity of life to adapt and diversify in response to environmental pressures. The fossil record of dinosaurs showcased a clear progression of evolutionary changes, with species evolving over millions of years, branching into new lineages, and eventually leading to extinction. This evidence provided compelling support for Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection, demonstrating the power of natural processes to shape the course of life on Earth. Dinosaur discoveries have also revolutionized our understanding of geological timescales. Before the extensive study of dinosaur fossils, the geological timeline was less precise, with a less clear understanding of the vast stretches of time involved in the Earth's history. The discovery of dinosaurs, however, provided a concrete framework for understanding deep time. The immense age of dinosaur fossils, spanning millions of years, forced a reevaluation of the planet's history. The meticulous study of dinosaur fossils, in conjunction with radiometric dating and other dating techniques, helped refine the geological timeline, allowing scientists to develop a far more accurate and detailed understanding of the Earth's history. This understanding of deep time has been essential for comprehending the processes of plate tectonics, continental drift, and climate change, all of which have significantly impacted the evolution and distribution of life on Earth. Furthermore, dinosaur discoveries have significantly advanced our knowledge of paleoecology, the study of ancient environments and ecosystems. The analysis of dinosaur fossils, along with associated plant and invertebrate fossils, has provided invaluable insights into the ancient environments in which dinosaurs thrived. The study of dinosaur trackways, coprolites, and other trace fossils has helped reconstruct ancient landscapes, climates, and ecological interactions. The discovery of dinosaurs in diverse environments, from lush forests to arid deserts, has highlighted the adaptability and resilience of these creatures, demonstrating their ability to thrive in a wide range of ecological conditions. The study of dinosaur paleoecology has also shed light on the complex interactions between different species, including predator-prey relationships, competition for resources, and the overall dynamics of ancient ecosystems. This understanding of past ecosystems is crucial for understanding present-day ecological processes and for predicting future environmental changes. Beyond their impact on evolutionary theory, geological timescales, and paleoecology, dinosaur discoveries have also spurred significant advancements in scientific methodology and technology. The study of dinosaur fossils has led to the development of innovative techniques in excavation, fossil preparation, and analysis. Advanced imaging techniques, such as X-rays, CT scans, and micro-CT scans, have allowed scientists to visualize the internal structures of fossils, revealing details that were previously inaccessible. Chemical analysis of fossils has provided insights into the diet, metabolism, and physiology of dinosaurs. The development of sophisticated computational methods for phylogenetic analysis has enabled scientists to reconstruct the evolutionary relationships between different dinosaur species and their descendants. These advancements in scientific methodology and technology have not only revolutionized the study of dinosaurs, but have also had a broader impact on other scientific fields, contributing to advances in biology, geology, chemistry, and computer science. The discovery of dinosaurs has also profoundly impacted our cultural understanding of the natural world. Dinosaurs have captured the imagination of people of all ages, inspiring countless books, films, and other forms of media. This widespread fascination with dinosaurs has generated significant public interest in science and natural history, encouraging young people to pursue careers in STEM fields. The study of dinosaurs has also fostered international collaboration, with scientists from different countries working together to uncover and analyze dinosaur fossils. This collaboration has led to a shared understanding of the Earth's history and a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of life on our planet. Furthermore, the study of dinosaurs has highlighted the importance of conservation and preservation of natural resources. The fragility of fossils and the limited nature of the fossil record have emphasized the need to protect fossil sites and to ensure the ethical collection and preservation of these valuable scientific resources. This awareness has led to increased efforts to protect fossil sites from damage and destruction and to promote responsible collecting practices. The ethical considerations surrounding the study of dinosaurs have also fostered a greater appreciation for the importance of preserving biodiversity and protecting natural environments for future generations. In conclusion, the impact of dinosaur discoveries on our understanding of life on Earth has been transformative. These magnificent creatures have revolutionized our understanding of evolution, geological timescales, and paleoecology. Their discovery has spurred significant advancements in scientific methodology and technology, fueled public interest in science, and promoted international collaboration. The study of dinosaurs has also highlighted the importance of conservation and preservation of natural resources. The enduring legacy of dinosaur discoveries extends far beyond the realm of paleontology, influencing our understanding of the natural world and shaping our appreciation for the rich and complex history of life on our planet. The story of dinosaurs is not just a story of ancient creatures, it's a story of scientific discovery, technological advancement, and our evolving understanding of the Earth and its remarkable history. It's a story that continues to unfold, with new discoveries continually enriching our knowledge and inspiring future generations of scientists and explorers. Paleontology isn't a static field. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving science, constantly reshaped by new discoveries and technological advancements. The study of dinosaurs, in particular, is a vibrant area of ongoing research with new fossil finds, innovative analytical techniques, and revolutionary theoretical frameworks constantly pushing the boundaries of our understanding. The future of paleontology promises even more exciting discoveries, potentially rewriting significant chapters in the story of dinosaurs and their place within the broader context of life on Earth. Current research in paleontology is incredibly diverse, encompassing a wide range of disciplines and methodologies. One major focus is on refining existing techniques for fossil discovery and analysis. Advanced imaging technologies, such as micro-CT scanning and synchrotron radiation, allow for incredibly detailed visualization of fossil internal structures, revealing subtle anatomical features previously invisible to the naked eye. This allows for a more precise understanding of dinosaur anatomy, physiology, and evolutionary relationships. Furthermore, new geochemical techniques are being developed to extract more information from fossils, providing insights into diet, metabolism, and ancient environments. Isotopic analysis, for example, can reveal details about the types of plants or animals consumed by dinosaurs, their migration patterns, and the overall composition of their ancient ecosystems. Another area of intense research focuses on understanding dinosaur behavior and social interactions. The study of dinosaur trackways, coprolites, and other trace fossils provides valuable insights into their locomotion, social structures, and daily activities. Researchers are using sophisticated statistical and computational methods to analyze trackway data, revealing details about herd dynamics, migration patterns, and the overall social complexity of dinosaur groups. Furthermore, the study of nesting sites, eggshells, and embryonic remains provides crucial insights into their reproductive strategies and parental care. These studies are revealing a far more complex and nuanced picture of dinosaur behavior than previously imagined, moving beyond simple depictions of solitary hunters or lumbering herbivores. The study of dinosaur evolution is another area of intense research. New fossil discoveries are constantly challenging and refining existing evolutionary hypotheses. The discovery of feathered dinosaurs, for instance, has fundamentally reshaped our understanding of the evolutionary link between dinosaurs and birds, providing compelling evidence for a gradual transition from terrestrial dinosaurs to avian flight. Ongoing research is focused on identifying additional transitional fossils, refining phylogenetic analyses, and understanding the evolutionary pressures that drove this remarkable transformation. The study of dinosaur evolution is not limited to the lineage leading to birds. Researchers are also working to understand the evolutionary relationships between different dinosaur groups, identifying common ancestors, and tracing the diversification of dinosaurs across the globe. Significant progress is being made in understanding dinosaur physiology and metabolism. Sophisticated computational models, based on anatomical data and physiological principles, are being used to estimate dinosaur metabolic rates, body temperatures, and growth rates. These models are helping researchers to understand the ecological adaptations of different dinosaur groups and to reconstruct the ancient environments in which they thrived. Furthermore, research is being conducted on the respiratory systems, circulatory systems, and sensory organs of dinosaurs, providing insights into their overall biology and ecological roles. The study of ancient environments and ecosystems, known as paleoecology, is a rapidly evolving field. Researchers are using a variety of techniques to reconstruct the ancient environments in which dinosaurs lived, including sedimentology, paleobotany, and isotopic analysis. These studies are providing insights into climate change, habitat preferences, and the overall ecological dynamics of dinosaur ecosystems. Researchers are particularly interested in understanding how dinosaur ecosystems responded to major environmental changes, such as volcanic eruptions, sea level fluctuations, and asteroid impacts. The development of new technologies is constantly pushing the boundaries of paleontological research. Advanced imaging techniques, such as X-ray microtomography and synchrotron radiation, allow for non-destructive analysis of fossils, revealing intricate details of internal structures. Sophisticated computational methods are being used to analyze large datasets of fossil morphology, allowing for the reconstruction of evolutionary trees and the identification of evolutionary trends. Furthermore, new techniques in geochemical analysis are providing insights into dinosaur diet, metabolism, and environmental conditions. What might future discoveries reveal? The possibilities are truly immense. We can anticipate the discovery of new dinosaur species, potentially filling gaps in our understanding of dinosaur evolution and diversification. Future research may uncover new insights into dinosaur behavior, social interactions, and reproductive strategies. We can expect further refinements in our understanding of dinosaur physiology and metabolism, potentially leading to new models of dinosaur growth, locomotion, and thermoregulation. Future studies may shed more light on the environmental conditions that led to dinosaur extinction, providing a more comprehensive understanding of the events that shaped the end of the Mesozoic era. The future of paleontology also lies in interdisciplinary collaborations. The integration of paleontological data with other fields, such as genetics, geochemistry, and climatology, will provide a more holistic understanding of dinosaur evolution and their place within the broader context of life on Earth. This interdisciplinary approach will be crucial for addressing complex questions about dinosaur biology, ecology, and evolution. The ongoing and future research in paleontology will continue to refine our understanding of these magnificent creatures, enriching our appreciation for their diversity, complexity, and profound influence on the history of life. Each new discovery, each technological advancement, and each new theoretical framework brings us closer to a more complete and accurate picture of the dinosaur world. The journey of paleontological discovery is far from over. It's a thrilling adventure that continues to unfold, promising even more exciting revelations about the remarkable creatures that once roamed our planet. The future of dinosaur paleontology is bright, promising a wealth of new discoveries and a deeper understanding of these fascinating animals and their place in the history of life on Earth. The incredible journey we've taken through the world of dinosaurs, exploring the overwhelming evidence of their existence, wouldn't be possible without the dedicated work of paleontologists and the preservation of invaluable fossils. But the story doesn't end with the discovery and analysis of these ancient relics. It extends to the crucial responsibility of protecting these irreplaceable treasures for future generations. The ethical considerations surrounding paleontological preservation are paramount, demanding a careful balance between scientific advancement and the long-term safeguarding of our shared heritage. These fossils are not just ancient bones and teeth. They are irreplaceable windows into a lost world, offering invaluable insights into the evolution of life on Earth. They represent millions of years of history, preserving the physical remnants of creatures that once dominated our planet. Their scientific value is immeasurable, providing data essential for understanding evolutionary processes, geological timescales, and the dynamics of ancient ecosystems. Each fossil holds the potential for new discoveries, capable of reshaping our understanding of dinosaur biology, behavior, and their place within the intricate tapestry of life. To lose these fossils would be to lose a significant part of our understanding of the past, a loss that could never be truly recovered. The preservation of fossils requires a multi-pronged approach, encompassing several key areas. Firstly, the protection of fossil sites themselves is crucial. These sites are often located in remote and fragile environments, vulnerable to erosion, natural disasters, and human activity. The establishment of protected areas, national parks, and other conservation initiatives is vital for safeguarding these unique geological formations and preventing the destruction of potentially significant fossil finds. Careful monitoring and management of these sites are also necessary, including measures to mitigate the impact of tourism and other human activities. Furthermore, responsible excavation techniques are essential for ensuring the preservation of fossils during the recovery process. Paleontologists employ specialized tools and methods to carefully remove fossils from the surrounding rock, minimizing damage and ensuring their long-term stability. Detailed documentation of the excavation process, including the precise location and orientation of each fossil, is critical for future research and analysis. This meticulous record-keeping ensures that the scientific value of the fossil is not compromised and that the context of the discovery is preserved for future generations. Once fossils are removed from the ground, their preservation and preparation require specialized expertise and resources. Paleontologists employ a range of techniques to clean, stabilize, and consolidate fossils, preventing further deterioration and ensuring their long-term survival. This can involve the use of specialized chemicals, meticulous cleaning procedures, and the creation of casts and molds for study and display. The storage and curation of fossils also require careful planning and attention to detail, ensuring that they are kept in a stable environment, protected from damage and degradation. Museums and research institutions play a vital role in this process, providing secure storage facilities and employing skilled curators to oversee the long-term preservation of these valuable specimens. However, the ethical considerations surrounding paleontological preservation extend beyond the technical aspects of fossil management. The ethical collection and trade of fossils are of paramount importance, demanding a strong stance against illegal excavation and the commercial exploitation of these irreplaceable scientific resources. The uncontrolled removal of fossils from their geological context not only destroys valuable scientific information but also undermines the integrity of fossil sites and potentially damages surrounding ecosystems. The illicit trade in fossils often fuels illegal excavation, further exacerbating the problem and contributing to the loss of valuable scientific resources. International cooperation and stringent regulations are vital for combating the illegal trade in fossils and ensuring that these irreplaceable treasures are preserved for scientific research rather than private profit. The ethical implications also extend to the accessibility and dissemination of paleontological knowledge. The information derived from fossil research should be made widely available to the scientific community and the public, fostering a greater understanding of the natural world and promoting scientific literacy. Open access publishing, data sharing initiatives, and public outreach programs are essential for ensuring that the scientific knowledge generated from fossil research benefits society as a whole. Museums and research institutions play a vital role in this process, making fossils and related information accessible to researchers, educators, and the public through exhibits, educational programs, and online resources. Furthermore, the ethical considerations surrounding paleontological preservation demand a commitment to sustainable practices. The environmental impact of fossil excavation and research must be carefully considered and minimized. Sustainable excavation techniques, minimizing environmental disturbance and habitat damage, are crucial for ensuring that paleontological research does not contribute to environmental degradation. The responsible use of resources, including energy and water, during the excavation, preparation, and analysis of fossils is also essential. A commitment to environmental sustainability ensures that the pursuit of scientific knowledge does not come at the expense of the natural world. Finally, the importance of paleontological preservation extends to the training and education of future generations of paleontologists and conservationists. Investing in education and research programs is vital for ensuring that the skills and knowledge necessary for the effective preservation and management of fossil resources are passed on to future generations. This includes providing training in responsible excavation techniques, fossil preparation and curation, as well as fostering a deep understanding of the ethical considerations surrounding paleontological research. By investing in education, we ensure that the responsibility of safeguarding our shared paleontological heritage is entrusted to those who are equipped to handle it effectively and ethically. In conclusion, the preservation of fossils and the ethical considerations surrounding paleontological research are not merely optional add-ons. They are fundamental aspects of the scientific endeavor. The protection of these invaluable resources is crucial for ensuring that future generations can benefit from the scientific knowledge they provide, learn from the history they reveal, and continue to unravel the mysteries of our planet's ancient past. A commitment to ethical and sustainable practices in paleontology is not just a responsibility, it is an investment in the future of scientific discovery and our collective understanding of life on Earth. The legacy of dinosaur research, and indeed all paleontological inquiry, rests on the careful preservation of these irreplaceable treasures, a responsibility we must embrace for the benefit of science and humanity. So, you've journeyed with us through eons, from the discovery of the first dinosaur bone to the cutting-edge research shaping our understanding today. We've unearthed the compelling evidence, examined the meticulous methods, and explored the profound implications of this ancient world. The question, did dinosaurs really exist, has, we hope, been answered with a resounding and scientifically supported yes. But the adventure doesn't end here. The world of paleontology is vast, constantly evolving, and brimming with untold stories waiting to be discovered. To help you continue this thrilling exploration, we've compiled a collection of resources designed to deepen your knowledge and ignite your passion for these magnificent creatures. First, let's talk museums. These aren't just repositories of dusty bones. They are dynamic centers of learning, showcasing incredible fossil specimens and offering immersive experiences that bring the dinosaur world to life. Whether you're a seasoned paleontology enthusiast or a curious newcomer, a visit to a natural history museum is an absolute must. Many museums boast world-renowned dinosaur collections, featuring complete skeletons of iconic species like Tyrannosaurus rex, Triceratops, and Brachiosaurus. These exhibits often go beyond simple displays, incorporating interactive elements, detailed information panels, and cutting-edge technology to enhance the visitor experience. We strongly recommend checking out the American Museum of Natural History in New York City, home to one of the most extensive and impressive dinosaur collections in the world. Their dinosaur exhibits are legendary, often featuring complete skeletons, life-sized reconstructions, and engaging displays that explore dinosaur biology, behavior, and evolution. The Field Museum in Chicago is another excellent choice, boasting the largest and most complete Tyrannosaurus rex skeleton ever discovered. Sue's imposing presence is a powerful testament to the size and power of these prehistoric predators, and the museum's surrounding exhibits provide a wealth of information about Tyrannosaurus rex and its place within the broader context of dinosaur evolution. The Natural History Museum in London is another world-class institution, boasting a stunning collection of dinosaur fossils and an array of engaging exhibits that cater to visitors of all ages. Their dinosaur displays are renowned for their educational value and immersive design, often incorporating interactive elements and multimedia presentations to bring the dinosaur world to life. And don't forget the National Museum of Natural History in Washington, D.C., a treasure trove of paleontological wonders, featuring remarkable dinosaur fossils and a wealth of information about dinosaur evolution, paleoecology, and the history of paleontological discovery. These are just a few examples, and many other fantastic museums around the globe offer incredible dinosaur exhibits. A quick online search for dinosaur museums near me will undoubtedly reveal a wealth of options in your local area or during your travels. We encourage you to visit these institutions, immerse yourselves in the wonder of these ancient creatures, and experience the excitement of paleontological discovery firsthand. Beyond museums, the internet offers a wealth of information about dinosaurs. Numerous websites, educational platforms, and online resources provide detailed information about dinosaur species, their evolution, their behavior, and their place within the broader context of life on Earth. Websites like the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History's website offer comprehensive resources, including detailed species profiles, interactive exhibits, and educational videos. The website of the Paleontological Society provides access to scientific publications, news updates, and information about paleontological research. Other excellent online resources include those offered by universities with strong paleontology programs, such as the University of California Museum of Paleontology and the University of Bristol's Paleontology Department. These websites often feature research articles, educational materials, and engaging multimedia content about dinosaurs. Educational platforms like Coursera and edX offer online courses on paleontology, providing in-depth instruction on various aspects of the field, including dinosaur evolution, paleoecology, and fossil analysis. These courses are taught by leading experts in the field, offering a structured and comprehensive learning experience. Many of these courses are free to audit, making them accessible to a wide audience. YouTube channels dedicated to paleontology offer engaging videos covering a wide range of topics, from dinosaur discoveries to evolutionary biology. These channels often feature expert interviews, behind-the-scenes footage of fossil excavations, and stunning visualizations of dinosaur anatomy and behavior. A simple search on YouTube for dinosaur documentaries or paleontology videos will reveal a treasure trove of informative and entertaining content. Finally, documentaries offer a captivating and immersive way to learn about dinosaurs. Many documentaries are available through streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and YouTube, offering high-quality visuals and engaging narratives that bring the dinosaur world to life. Documentaries often feature interviews with leading paleontologists, stunning footage of fossil excavations, and state-of-the-art computer-generated imagery that reconstructs the appearance and behavior of dinosaurs. Some of the most highly regarded dinosaur documentaries include Walking with Dinosaurs, Planet Dinosaur, and Dinosaur Revolution. These documentaries offer a comprehensive and engaging exploration of dinosaur biology, evolution, and ecology, appealing to both casual viewers and seasoned paleontology enthusiasts. The resources we've highlighted represent only a small fraction of the wealth of information available about dinosaurs. We encourage you to explore these options, delve deeper into this fascinating world, and continue your journey of discovery. The more you learn, the more you'll appreciate the incredible complexity, diversity, and profound impact of these magnificent creatures. And who knows, Perhaps your own explorations will lead you to make your own contributions to the ever-evolving story of the dinosaurs. Thank you for watching and happy exploring. So, did dinosaurs really exist? The answer, resounding and unequivocally supported by an overwhelming body of scientific evidence, is a resounding yes. This journey into the heart of paleontology, this deep dive into the world of ancient life, has hopefully illuminated not only the undeniable existence of these magnificent creatures, but also the rigorous scientific processes that allow us to reconstruct their world, understand their lives, and appreciate their profound impact on the history of our planet. We haven't merely presented a collection of facts. We've unveiled a dynamic narrative, a story woven from meticulous fieldwork, painstaking laboratory analysis, and the collaborative efforts of countless scientists across generations. From the initial discovery of fossilized bones, teeth, and eggs to the more subtle, yet equally compelling, evidence provided by footprints, trackways, and even fossilized feces, coprolites, the evidence for dinosaurs is both abundant and diverse. Each fossil, each trace, each fragment represents a piece of a vast puzzle, meticulously pieced together to reveal a breathtaking picture of a world teeming with life unimaginably different from our own. We've explored the remarkable process of fossilization, a delicate dance between decay, preservation, and the powerful forces of geology, showcasing the remarkable conditions required to transform the remains of ancient creatures into the enduring testaments we study today. The precision of radiometric dating, the careful analysis of isotopic ratios, and the meticulous application of biostratigraphy, magnetostratigraphy, and chemostratigraphy have provided a robust and increasingly refined timeline, placing dinosaurs firmly within the grand sweep of geological time. We've explored the global distribution of dinosaur fossils, highlighting their presence on every continent, a testament to their remarkable adaptability and widespread success. This global narrative underscores the sheer scale of their dominance, a fact that directly refutes any claims that their existence is a mere fabrication or a localized phenomenon. The discovery of feathered dinosaurs has revolutionized our understanding of the evolutionary link between dinosaurs and modern birds, a connection that is now firmly established through a convergence of evidence from multiple scientific disciplines. Shared anatomical features, biochemical similarities, and sophisticated phylogenetic analyses all point to an undeniable evolutionary relationship, a testament to the remarkable capacity of life to adapt and diversify over vast stretches of geological time. This evolutionary link provides not only further compelling evidence for dinosaur existence, but also deepens our understanding of the intricate tapestry of life on Earth and its remarkable continuity across eons. We've also addressed the persistent misconceptions and conspiracy theories that attempt to cast doubt on the existence of dinosaurs. These claims, often rooted in misinterpretations of scientific evidence, flawed logic, or a disregard for the overwhelming consensus within the scientific community, are easily refuted by the robust and multifaceted nature of paleontological research. The sheer volume of evidence, the global distribution of fossils, and the rigorous scientific scrutiny applied to each discovery leave no room for doubt. Dinosaurs were real, and their story is far more complex and fascinating than any conspiracy theory can ever hope to encompass. The impact of dinosaur discoveries extends far beyond the realm of paleontology. These magnificent creatures have profoundly reshaped our understanding of evolution, geological timescales, and the dynamics of ancient ecosystems. Their discovery has spurred significant advancements in scientific methodology and technology, inspiring generations of scientists and fueling public interest in the natural world. The study of dinosaurs has also highlighted the importance of conservation and preservation of natural resources, emphasizing the need to protect fossil sites and to ensure the ethical collection and preservation of these invaluable scientific treasures for future generations. The ongoing research in paleontology is a testament to the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of scientific inquiry. New discoveries, innovative analytical techniques, and increasingly sophisticated theoretical frameworks are constantly refining our understanding of these ancient creatures. The future of paleontology promises even more exciting revelations, further enriching our knowledge of dinosaur biology, behavior, and their profound influence on the history of life on Earth. We hope that this deep dive has not only provided you with a clearer understanding of the overwhelming evidence for dinosaur existence, but also ignited a passion for the wonder of paleontology, the science that unlocks the secrets of deep time. We've touched upon the incredible dedication and expertise of paleontologists, the tireless explorers who dedicate their lives to unraveling the mysteries of our planet's ancient past. Their work, a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity, allows us to connect with a world lost to time, to understand our place in the grand tapestry of life, and to appreciate the remarkable creatures that once roamed our planet. The story of dinosaurs is a story of scientific discovery, of painstaking research, of international collaboration, and of the enduring human fascination with the wonders of the natural world. It's a story that continues to unfold, with new discoveries constantly challenging and refining our understanding. It's a story that reminds us of the power of scientific inquiry, the importance of preserving our shared heritage, and the remarkable capacity of life to adapt, diversify, and leave an indelible mark on the history of our planet. This journey into the world of dinosaurs is not just an exploration of the past, it's a window into the ongoing process of scientific discovery, a testament to the enduring human quest for knowledge, and a celebration of the magnificent creatures that once dominated our world. We hope you've found this journey as captivating as we have. Thank you for watching.